Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? I'll be having a live show with free $half searches coming up in February, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. In today's video, we'll talk about some really expensive error coins, how to identify them, and what they sold for. All of the coins discussed in this video are actual coins that sold at Heritage Auctions in 2025. This is not one of those crappy AI channels. It's a crappy real person channel. Let's get right into it.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Hey, take a look at our first coin. It's a 1999 Lincoln Cent. It's obviously been in circulation, and you can see some signs of wear and some pretty deep scratches. If you look closely, you'll see some light coin features duplicated in parts of the coin where they shouldn't be. Here you can see the word Liberty down and to the left of the prominent date. You can also see parts of the motto, "In God We Trust," toward the bottom of the coin. If you look closely across from the double-struck Liberty, you can see another date. Usually a double-struck coin is struck by the same dies consecutively, but the date of this penny is 1996. This coin was struck for the second time 3 years later after the original strike. It's believed that the 1996 Lincoln Cent was dropped into the planchet hopper in 1999 and struck for the second time. The original strike can also be seen on the reverse of the penny. This coin was submitted to PCGS for grading and error certification. It was graded Mint State 63 red brown and sold at auction on August 31st, 2025 for $4,080. This next coin looks like a steel penny. Steel cents or steelies were minted in 1943 because the copper they used for coins was needed for war efforts. The problem is that this penny is not dated 1943. It's dated 1977, 34 years later. If you were to come across a coin like this, the first step to identify the error would be to weigh the coin. This penny isn't steel. It only weighs 1.04 grams. No one knows exactly how this happened. This coin was minted on an aluminum planchet. It was sent in for grading. NGC actually spelled the word aluminum incorrectly on the slab. This penny graded Mint State 60 on a scale from 1 to 70. This unexplained, one-of-a-kind, wrong planchet error sold at auction in August of 2025 for $50,400. Just like a cat on 3 Mile Island in 1979, this quarter has two tails. This error is called a muled coin, and it was struck with two reverse dies. We don't know when it was struck because there's no date. It was discovered at an estate sale in a paper envelope and sent to NGC for certification and grading. NGC certified the error and graded this quarter Mint State 64. This crazy quarter sold at Heritage Auctions just 2 months ago for $84,000. The next coin is so famous it's been featured in movies. I'm talking about the 1955 double die Lincoln Cent. A double die occurs during the die creation when the die shifts in between strikes with the master die. This shift creates doubling on the die. Every coin struck with the die will have this error, which is actually called a variety in this case because it affects all of the coins struck with the die. About 24,000 coins of this variety were minted before the error was discovered, and the coins still made it into circulation. When this variety was discovered by the public, everyone was looking for these error coins. My dad told me he used to always check his pennies when he was a kid trying to find that 1955 double die. This penny was submitted to PCGS for grading, and it came back as Mint State 65. This Lincoln Cent was also submitted to CAC and carries the green CAC sticker, indicating that this is one of the better looking coins within its grade. So what's this thing worth? Well, this one sold a little over a year ago for a whopping $90,000. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.